The purpose of this video is to show the coal dumper's ice crusher operation. There are two ice crusher shafts that span across the dumper pits just above the grizzlies. One is parked at the far west dumper pit wall. The other is parked under the second beam from the west. When in operation, they do travel together. This is the home positions. The ice crushers must always be parked back home after each use. The ice crushers may be operated from the dumper cab on the RSView or from the manual station upstairs. The ice crushers must only be operated in auto from the RSView when there is a spotter watching from the manual operation station windows. A second spotter may be required to monitor the far east end pit from the water jetter location, under certain conditions. The operators and the spotters must all have radios and be on the same channel to communicate, usually channel 1. During normal dumping, the operator will be monitoring the dumper pits on the monitors number 10 and 11. When the pits appear to be plugging up with ice or just coal, call your foreman. He will decide to use the water cannons or the ice crusher to unplug the pits. Especially watch the spill side wall, because if the coal builds up too high on the grizzlies, coal can be reclaimed back into the rail car as it returns from dumping. If a decision has been made to use the ice crusher, the first pass must be done from the manual station. On the dumper cab's RSView screen, click the Ice Crush button. Then put the ice crusher into manual by clicking the manual button. On the manual station's control panel, be sure the e-stops are pulled out. Also push the travel reset and the hammer mill reset. To start the hammer mills, the ice crusher shafts rotating, push the hammer mill CW button. Once both ice crushers are running, use the joystick to travel to the east. Do watch the shafts through the plexiglass window. Do not run with the window open. If while using the ice crusher you hear any unusual sounds or see sparks, push the ice crusher e-stop immediately. If the dumper is plugged up with heavy ice, travel into the ice, then stop the travel. Let the hammer mills catch up. Nursing it through the first pass will save the equipment. Do not ever plow through the coal or ice with the diving board counterweights. Major damage could occur to the ice crushers. If the east pit is heavily plugged, a spotter would be required before traveling the ice crusher into that pit. Once all of the pits have been unplugged, travel the ice crusher back to the east home position. Then stop the hammer mills by pushing the stop button. To operate the ice crusher in auto from the dumper cab, a spotter must be at the manual operating station at all times. To put the ice crusher into auto, on the RSView, click on the auto button. The ice crusher will now do one pass to every car that's dumped. A pass or cycle may also be started by clicking the cycle start button.